What if you've been paying for way more AI than you actually need? ClaudFable AI claims you can replace several AI subscriptions with a single $14 one-time purchase. Sounds incredible. But is it actually a smart buy, or just smart marketing? In the next few minutes, I'll break down what the company claims, who this tool is really for, and one important detail you shouldn't ignore before buying. Quick disclosure: this video contains affiliate links. If you purchase through one of them, I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. If you're running an online business today, your workflow probably looks familiar. You write with one AI, design with another, build pages somewhere else, create videos in a different app. Before long, you're paying for multiple subscriptions just to finish one project. That's the problem ClaudFable AI says it's trying to solve. Instead of juggling different platforms, the company says you can manage much of that work from one dashboard. According to the vendor, ClaudFable AI can help generate websites, landing pages, marketing copy, AI apps, graphics, videos, and other business assets from simple prompts. The goal isn't just adding another AI tool. It's reducing the number of tools you need in the first place. For freelancers, affiliate marketers, agencies, and small business owners, that promise alone makes this launch worth a closer look. But features on a sales page only matter if they solve real problems. Imagine a client asks for a landing page, a logo, email copy, and social media graphics by tomorrow morning. Normally, you'd bounce between several apps just to deliver the project. According to the vendor, ClaudFable AI brings much of that workflow into one platform, making it easier to create and organize everything in one place. If it performs the way the company describes, the biggest advantage isn't just AI. It's saving time by cutting down on all that app switching. But there's one part of the sales page that deserves a closer look before you decide it's worth buying. Here's the part most reviews don't spend enough time on. The sales page includes examples of how this platform could be used for client work and online businesses. Those are vendor-stated examples, not promises. No AI tool can guarantee income, clients, or business success. Your results still depend on your skills, experience, marketing, and the effort you put into your business. Think of software like this as a productivity tool, not a shortcut to success. If your expectations are realistic, you're much more likely to decide whether it actually fits your workflow. ClaudFable AI makes the most sense if you're a freelancer, affiliate marketer, agency owner, content creator, or small business owner looking to simplify your workflow. If you're tired of paying for multiple AI subscriptions every month, the company's all-in-one approach may be worth exploring. On the other hand, if you've already built a workflow around specialized premium tools and you're happy with the results, you may not gain enough value by switching. The right software isn't the one with the longest feature list. It's the one that helps you work faster and more efficiently. So, is ClaudFable AI worth considering? Based on what the company presents, the biggest selling point isn't just the number of AI features. It's the idea of replacing a complicated workflow with one platform and a one-time payment. That's a compelling concept, but like any software purchase, it's worth reviewing the official demo, checking exactly what's included, and deciding whether those features match the way you work. If you'd like to see today's launch price, available bonuses, and everything included, you'll find my official affiliate link in the description below. And if you enjoy honest AI software reviews that focus on facts instead of hype, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.